Well, the attorney representing former Erie County Democratic Chairman Steve Pigeon says that his client has been released from jail after facing child rape charges. Pigeon had been held since last Friday when he was charged under a sealed indictment. Channel 2's Dave McKinley is here now to tell us the latest. Dave?
Mary Alice, according to his lawyer, Pigeon was expected to post a $500,000 insurance bond in order to gain his release from custody. Prosecutors had argued today, though, that Pigeon should be held without any bail, pending the outcome of his trial. Pigeon's lawyer, Paul Cambria, began his argument by bringing up New York's bail reform laws, which went into effect last January.
Because it is clear that bail can be issued for a felony of this grade.
He insisted that his client posed no flight risk because while on release for several years now, while facing unrelated federal charges for illegal political donations and state charges of bribing a judge, Pigeon has never failed to appear in court and continues to be under the supervision of probation officers who know his whereabouts, and that Pigeon did turn himself in last Friday after learning of these latest charges.
I point this out to the court to demonstrate the fact that this is not someone who will fail to appear.
Obviously, the people take a different position, considering the facts and circumstances as they exist in this case.
The prosecutor notes that unlike those unrelated charges, the 61-year-old Pigeon doesn't face a few months in jail here. Conviction here on a violent crime could land him in prison for the rest of his life.
In cases of this severity, remand is appropriate and frequent.
Pigeon's accuser claims the incident occurred 5 years ago when they were under the age of 11. According to District Attorney John Flynn, the allegations only surfaced this past July when the alleged victim told an adult who then contacted their family attorney, who then contacted Flynn. When announcing the charges against Pigeon on Friday, prosecutors would only say that he and his accuser were known to each other. During today's bail hearing, it came out in court that they are indeed related. Because it is Two on Your Side's policy not to name alleged victims of sex crimes without their consent, we are omitting further details which could identify them. In the Information Center, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.